Hello, welcome to Cooking with Peggy Holiday Edition. Today is day 10 of our 12 days of baking. We're almost at the end. Yesterday we made apple crisp. Today we are making a treat that's as much fun to say as it is to make, Snickerdoodles. This recipe came to me from my mother. She probably got it from Betty Crocker, but as it is, this is something that we make for a lot of family gatherings because kids of all ages enjoy eating them and it is fun to make. So you want 1 cup of butter, margarine, or shortening softened, if you're using butter or margarine, 2 eggs, 2 3/4 cup of flour, 1 1/2 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then cinnamon and sugar for the mixture to roll the dough in. So we will be mixing all the ingredients together. First we're going to just add our butter, and then we will be adding our eggs and sugar. All right, I need to wash my hands after that fiasco and our 1 1/2 cups of sugar, and we'll mix this a little bit and then we'll add our flour and cream of tartar and baking soda. Okay, we're gonna add our 2 3/4 cup of flour, our 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and our 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. One of the only recipes I know that uses this spice. It sits in everybody's cupboard for the once or twice a year you make Snickerdoodles. So here we go. And we will mix this well. And after it gets mixed, we'll add our food coloring. So we're going to separate half of the dough, and we will be making 1/2 green and 1/2 red food coloring, but it actually comes out pink. So we're going to have green and pink cookies for Christmas. Okay, we're going to just add a few drops of red food coloring. You want actually quite a few drops to get it saturated. We'll stir it up and then we'll blend it with our hand to make sure that it gets well blended. So here's our colored dough, and we will now be rolling these into balls and then rolling them in a sugar and cinnamon mixture, baking at 350 for about 9 to 11 minutes. Our sugar and cinnamon mixture, I use a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and about 4 or 5 teaspoons of cinnamon, and I see how it looks and then stir it up and maybe add a little bit more of either ingredient. This gives you pretty much enough to go ahead and roll your Snickerdoodles in. Just stir it up, gets you the nice sugar and cinnamon mixture. We'll put the lid on when we're rolling our Snickerdoodles and then putting them back on the sheet. We're just going to roll in a ball about this big. Roll it in the sugar and cinnamon mixture and place it on the parchment paper. Because there's sugar and cinnamon on the outside of the cookie, they do stick to cookie sheets, but they don't with the parchment paper. Unlike my Russian tea cakes, these will spread, so you want to make sure that you leave enough room in between each cookie to allow them to flatten. These are ready to go in the oven. We bake at 350 for 9 to 11 minutes. If you like your Snickerdoodles a little crispier, you want to bake them a little bit longer. And there you have it. red and green Snickerdoodles for the holiday season. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your comments below. Bye.